Hello, and welcome to part 1 of our Modernizing Infrastructure series, where we'll be upgrading VCF 5.2.3 to VCF 9.1. In this video, we'll cover the detailed, step-by-step process for upgrading VCF from version 5.2.3 to 9.1. This slide provides an overview of our pre-upgrade environment, listing the components currently running on VCF 5.2.3 that we plan to upgrade to VCF 9.1. Let's walk through the upgrade sequence. We begin by upgrading VCF operations, followed by disassociating from LCM 8.18.x. Next, we deploy the cloud proxy and update the VCF collector group, which allows us to upgrade the SDDC manager. From there, we will configure the software depot, manage our binaries, deploy VCF Management Services cluster. After that, we'll upgrade NSX, followed by vCenter Server, and then the ESX hosts. Finally, we will complete the NSX Edge upgrades and finish by running the license registration with the Business Console. Let's now dive into a detailed lab demo of the upgrade process. We will begin the upgrade using VCF operations. Ensure offline snapshots are taken for all nodes after selecting the Take Cluster Offline option. Follow along with this demo video to complete the VCF operations upgrade. The existing LCM 8.18 will be replaced with Fleet Manager components on the VMSB cluster, starting with version 9.1. Therefore, we need to disassociate LCM from VCF operations. The following lab demo will walk you through the upgrade steps. Cloud proxies collect data from physical data centers. Either classic or unified cloud proxies can be deployed, depending on specific operational requirements. To ensure high availability or load balancing, 2 or more cloud proxies must be configured within a collector group. The cloud proxy is used to gather data from the endpoint environment and upload it directly to VCF operations. VCF operations must collect data from target machines, including the SDDC Manager, vCenter, vSAN, and NSX Manager, by routing through a cloud proxy. The cloud proxy serves as the necessary intermediary for communication between VCF operations and these core management domain components. VCF 9.1 introduces load balancing for all cloud proxies that are part of HA-enabled collector groups, which ensures a consistent and reliable flow of metrics to VCF operations. Hence, it is important to deploy cloud proxy and update the collector group. Let's now examine the SDDC Manager upgrade process. Before proceeding, ensure that an SDDC Manager snapshot or a file-level backup has been completed. The following lab demo will walk through the upgrade steps. Configuring the Software Depot in VMware Cloud Foundation 9.1 involves linking your environment to the Broadcom Depot for online updates, or configuring a localized offline server for dark sites. Starting with VCF 9, you perform components lifecycle management by using the VCF Operations UI. You download the required binaries for core and management components to the following VCF components: VCF Operations, Fleet Management, and SDDC Manager. VMware Cloud Foundation 9.1 introduces the VCF Management Services Platform. This lightweight Kubernetes cluster acts as a centralized hub, handling your fleet-level features and operations. This brings us to the end of Part 1 of our Modernizing Infrastructure series, covering the upgrade from VCF 5.2.3 to VCF 9.1.